pay judgment, take me when me ready. Me I want to go to riverbed, go wash up more than one blood clot character. You know, so one time one boy, they fuck me for one blood clot river stone. One big wood man, me say, I was the biggest wood I ever taken in my life entire time. Me run, me never know I could have run for wood. One of man bend me over upon a piece of blood clot stone. And I put on the pack and I say the man with the long and fat, you know. I say, hey, one time. So take that woman and call me, Mr. Sir, me can't manage you. Nope. Oh my God. Mr. Sir, me can't manage you. No, it's true. Mr. Sir, I cannot manage you. Second that when the man a blood clot call me. Trot, can me give the man a look one bang. And him call my phone, me not answer him. Up! Me can't manage you my blood clot because two blood clot big. Trot the biggest for my man. Mr. fucking lolo, fuck chew pipe, fuck box, fuck boxy. For my bun! What a labyrinth crutches. I never see myself could have run for my man. Run like 10 twin salamite. Run me. Mr. Sir, me can't go up to your levels. And them time I never bite and cook. Never bite and cook. Trot me, I look too gift me, I go away. Me have to enter the rank. Regular program, I'm going back to me.